Hello everyone, my name is Diane and I'm a library assistant with Information Services at Belleville Public Library. Today we're going to make a Scandinavian woven heart basket. Start by pulling out the two pieces of paper with the pattern templates on them. We will be working with the pattern that has the 3 lines. Cut out the pattern with the 3 lines around the edges. Once you've cut it out, you can set that aside. Next in your kit, you will find 3 pieces of fabric, the purple and the red that are the same size as what we're going to be working with. Take your red felt and fold it in half. Place your pattern with the straight edge on the fold and pin your pattern in place. Now cut out the pattern except where the fabric is folded and cut the center lines. Once finished cutting, pull out the pins and remove the pattern. You will see the 4 pieces of fabric in the center that will be used to weave. Now follow the same steps for the purple felt. Remember to place the pattern with the straight edge on the fold, and you won't be cutting the fold. Pin the pattern in place. Keep each piece folded in half and pin it to hold the felt together. Now it's time to weave the heart. It may seem a bit complicated, but it really isn't, and once you get going, it finishes very quickly. Weave the first purple loop through the first red loop. Now open up the purple loop and thread the red loop through the purple loop. Then thread the purple through the red and the red through the purple. To weave the second row, thread the first red loop through the purple loop, then the purple loop through the second red loop. Next, weave the red loop through the purple and the purple loop through the red. Follow this process until all the loops have been woven. Now take out the pins and open up the basket. The next step is to make a handle for the basket. There is a piece of fabric in your kit to use. Glue the handle on the inside of the basket using craft, fabric, or hot glue. Once the glue dries, you can fill the basket with all sorts of goodies and give this sweet gift to someone special.